Thailand, the ideal venue for international business events. With 3 distinctive qualities and destinations with backdrops of unmatched beauty for business meetings, Thailand can drive your business success.
Dear colleagues, we would like to take this opportunity to invite all of you to join 23rd WPATH on the 15th to 19th February 2014 in the theme Transgender Health in Global Perspective in Bangkok, Thailand. This is our opportunity to bring together worldwide professionals who dedicated to developing the best practice, supportive policy, research, education, and the rights for gender variance in all cultural settings, which is WPATH vision statement. We will ensure all hospitalities for you can enjoy. Thailand in February is the cooler month. There are many tourist attractions ranging from mountainous north to the beautiful stretches of empty beaches to the east and the south of Bangkok.
Let our 2 worlds collide. There's wonders to see. A world of make-believe, sharing your smile. It has to be Thailand, once in a lifetime.
So please come and join us